how to use Faysal card credit points. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use the Faysal Bank credit points. Well, to redeem Faysal Bank credit card reward points or to use it, you can typically use them at various retail outlets or online platforms. Now you can also redeem them for statement credits, which are deposited directly into your account. Specific redemption methods and options may vary depending on the card type and Faysal Bank's current offers, so it is best to check with the customer service for the most up-to-date information. Basically, you can redeem at redemption outlets at this platform for the latest list of participating locations. You can check Faysal Bank D-More Mall platforms. So you can see I'm here on the Faysal Bank here. So you can check out Faysal Bank on your web browser. You can search in for Faysal Bank D-More Mall. And you can see Faysal Bank D-More Mall here. You can check it out and you can redeem it here. You can use it here as well. So you can sort it by category and you can choose and check it out and use it here. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.